is taking place. You need to stand as a child of God and begin to declare and begin to take control and say, Lord, your word says in the book of Jeremiah 29, verse 11. Are you hearing me? Sometimes you need to pray by the word. You need to pray by the word. Not to say that you are reminding God of his word, but you pray using the word. You pray using what? The scripture. You pray what? Reminding God of the promises, because God knows his promises from his word. Sometimes God acts according to the promises that you know from his word. Are you following somebody? Radila haroska pariadoska, velibra kadoska. Now, you can stand this morning and begin to declare scriptures like the book of Isaiah 54:17 and say, Lord, you said no weapon formed against me that shall prosper.